Good morning, Fred. This is Tuesday. It is June 6, 2017. About 73 years ago today we had Normandy landings. Moment of silence. Okay, good job, guys. It says Mark can't email. I'm at Highland Park. You can't see the picture of the guy at the top. That's Frederick Law Olmsted. We're going to take a look at some stuff here. What was it? What is that? We'll find out. Have that curb removed. Look at this neat tree. Oh, it's a tulip tree. Wow, look at that. It's a little one, but they're in bloom. I guess June is the year. Lime green, tulip-shaped flowers with a yellow chevron on the bottom. Okay, I'll buy that as a chevron. Let's look around and see if we got a... Oh, here's a flower. There's one that's open there. The tulip tree. Queen of the northeastern forest of North America. I wish I knew something about dendrology. I can't give you the scientific name off my bat. Why don't you give it the lick test? Licked it. The lick test. It always works. Wish I could print that out. So I'm not at home. Let's use the printer, the arm printer. Pockatah, 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 Pockatah. It went Pockatah, Pockatah. Here it is, printed right off the arm. This is the way it is pronounced, or spelled. Liriodendron, Tulipifera, Mediopictum. There it is, a small one. The flowers are hidden by the leaves. We're starting to pick some of them up. There's a lot of these where I go hunt. They're tall trees. The lick test told me that the family is Magnoliaceae. That's Magnoliaceae. I'm not good with Greek, but Liriodendron, from Greek liron, which means lily, and dendron, which means tree. Tulipifera means bearing. The foliage is deciduous, and I'll agree, the group is broadleaf. It'll grow in sand, silty soil, clay, loam, and if you have it, chalk. The soil doesn't have to be real high fertility. It does like moist, well-drained soil. Once growth is established and it grows up a little, it's kind of drought tolerant, sort of. It'll grow in part sun and full sun. Like I say, the nickname's the Queen of the Eastern North American woodland. Down in the southern tier, Livingston County, I encounter these guys. They're giants. See that tree in the background? That's an oak. Some of these tulip trees approach that in size. They're 70 to 90 feet and above. At Letchworth, across from the museum, on the lawn southwest of Glen Iris, there was some huge ones. I believe at one point one was a state champion. Richmond County, New York, 126.6 high. Tulip trees, they get good size. Let's look at another flower. And we'll take a picture of one of the tags. Variegated tulip tree. We'll step away so you can get an idea of the crown. These are nice trees for shade. Again, this is young guy. Here's a black oak, little guy. And while we're here, we'll see a repurposed tree. I'm 6'1" tall, and I can almost stretch out. I'm at the 5'10" level. We'll have to come back to Highland Park another day to do a better story. That greenhouse over there, the glass house, is Lamberton Conservatory. This is Reservoir Road.